Hello from the National Weather Service in San Diego. I'm meteorologist Dan Gregoria here to talk about a return of thunderstorms to our mountains and deserts here during the middle and latter part of the week, and a southern hemisphere swell on the way, which will impact our beaches. So here are the highlights. We have a break in the monsoonal thunderstorm activity, but it's short-lived. That moisture will make a return by Wednesday. And then we're looking at a southern hemisphere swell to impact the coastline Thursday and continuing through the weekend. Let's look at the potential threats here. The thunderstorm risk comes back here to the mountains and deserts during the period Wednesday through Friday. And then we're looking at that coastal threat with high surf and strong, more widespread rip currents affecting the beaches Thursday through Sunday. And we have a low wildfire risk. Fuels out there are very dry, and it continues with above average temperatures. No extreme temperatures, but there is a low risk of heat exhaustion if precautions aren't taken. So here's the American model. What are we looking at here? The color field is moisture, and you can see deep moisture across Arizona. That pulls back into Southern California, hitting the area Wednesday and stays in the area Thursday and Friday, but then we get dry air in from the north for the weekend. So what this spells is a return of mountain and desert thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And when that dry air comes in from the north, that thunderstorm activity likely will shut off for a nice weekend ahead. Here's a look at what we're forecasting for the period Wednesday through Friday. This is the probability of precipitation for Wednesday and similar Thursday and Friday. And you can see it's the mountains and deserts in typical monsoon fashion that pose the biggest risk of thunderstorms. And the main impacts look to be lightning, and there will be at least a low risk of flash flooding. It could be higher, and we'll monitor that in the days to come. Now looking at the southern hemisphere swell, here is the pulse of energy. It arrives to the Southern California beaches late Wednesday night, impacts the coast Thursday through the weekend. This will increase surf, especially across the south-facing beaches. The swell's coming from the due south from 190 degrees, about 4 feet in an 18-second period, rather a long period. So the surf will build, and as will the rip current risk. So anyone planning to head to the beaches, realize it's going to be dangerous swimming conditions out there this upcoming weekend. So in summary, the thunderstorms return Wednesday through Friday, and then we get that push of drier air likely in from the north. Not humidity-wise, though. We have those warm sea surface temperatures off our coast, so it will remain humid, very muggy along the coast. But that drier air aloft will shut off the chance of thunderstorms by the upcoming weekend. But we have that higher surf and that higher rip current risk to deal with as we head into Thursday, Friday, and then through the upcoming weekend. So that does it for here. Thanks for watching. As always, visit our webpage at weather.gov for the latest forecast information. Have a great one.